Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our second lecture in project management. Today's lecture we will discuss about the Gantt chart, milestone chart, fulcrum chart. Okay, then AOA and AOE. AOE means activity in arrow, activity in node. First slide, Henry Lagrange Gantt means Henry Lagrange Gantt was an American mechanical engineering and management consultant who is the best known for his work in the development of scientific management. Okay. He created the Gantt chart in the 1910 years. Okay. Means a project generally consists of a number of well defined manageable units or activities which should be performed or completed in definite sequence for the successful completion of the project. Means what is next slide, what is a Gantt chart? Okay. Gantt chart is a type of bar chart in which a series of horizontal lines shows the amount of work done or production completed in certain period of time in relation to the amount planned for those period. Means these activities or jobs are those operation of the project plan which takes time to carry out and on which resources are resources are expanded. Okay. Means the out of the various tools or techniques of project management, bar chart techniques was probably one of the earliest one. Okay. Means the first slide is the bar charts were introduced by Henry Gantt around the 1910 AD. Means 1900 AD. Means the in this work on production control Gantt development, famous Gantt chart still used on many projects of moderate magnitude. Okay. Then steps to create a Gantt chart: determine project start date and deadline, gather all information surrounding the list of activities within a project. Okay. Third step, determine how long each activity will take. Next, evaluate what activities are dependent on others and create a graph shell including timeline and list of activities. Then the next slide, chart is there. First is the time unit day. हॉरिझॉन्टल मध्ये दिसतं ते टाईम युनिट डेज म्हणजे 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 अँड ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ऑफ जॉब्स UVTS PQRSTUV horizontal and vertical. Okay. Bar chart consists of two coordinate axes. One is usually horizontal axis means time unit day and represent the time elapsed and other the vertical axis represent the job or activity to be performed. Okay. Then each bar represent one specific job or activities of the project. Beginning and end of each bar represent the time of start, time of finish of the activity. Okay. Means the length of bar therefore represent the time required for the completion of the job or activity. Okay. फिगर बघितलाय तुम्ही हा जा टाइम युनिट डेज अँड ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ऑफ जॉबचा. ओके. बार चार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट विच इज 7 डिस्टिंक्ट जॉब्स और ॲक्टिव्हिटी. 7 डिस्टिंक्ट कुठले आहेत? PQRSTUV. Okay. And to be performed for its completion. Okay. Means the time duration required for the completion of these activities are कुठले 10, 5, 10, 7, 5, 8 and 15 units day represent from the chart. We conduct the following. Okay. First is the activities P and Q. P and Q तुम्हाला ॲक्टिव्हिटीज दिसते, तुम्हाला ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ऑफ जॉब्स. ॲक्टिव्हिटीज P and Q काय दिसते तुम्हाला? ॲक्टिव्हिटी P and Q कॅन स्टार्ट सायमल्टेनियसली ॲट 0 टाईम. तुम्हाला दिसते P and Q ॲक्टिव्हिटी कशाला टाईम युनिट डेला कशाला कनेक्ट झालं आहे तर 0. अँड बोथ ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आर इंडिपेंडंट. करेक्ट. इंडिपेंडंट आहेत P and Q. हायवर द ॲक्टिव्हिटी Q is completed much earlier than the activity P. Okay. Then third number R, ॲक्टिव्हिटी आर स्टार्ट ओनली व्हेन ॲक्टिव्हिटी क्यू इज कम्प्लिटेड. ओके, आर कुठं स्टार्ट झालं आहे? 5ला वर दिसतंय तुम्हाला टाईम ॲक्टिव्हिटी. ओके, देन हायर ॲक्टिव्हिटी येस, 4th इज एस, एक्स ॲक्टिव्हिटी इज इंडिपेंडंट ऑफ ॲक्टिव्हिटी आर. आहे का इंडिपेंडंट? आहे. ओके, इट स्टार्ट अर्लियर देन आर इज कम्प्लिटेड अर्लियर. ओके, देन ॲक्टिव्हिटी टी, ॲक्टिव्हिटी कुठे तुम्हाला दिसते? 10, टाईम 10, ॲक्टिव्हिटी स्टार्ट ओनली व्हेन ॲक्टिव्हिटी एस इज कम्प्लिटेड. ओके, देन ॲक्टिव्हिटी यू अँड आर कुठे आहे? ॲक्टिव्हिटी यू 5 अँड आर 5 कनेक्टेड, can start simultaneously, can start simultaneously when activity Q दिसते तुम्हाला, Q is completed. जो स्टार्ट झालेला आहे ॲक्टिव्हिटी अँड एंड कुठलं आहे ते बघायचं आहे तुम्हाला. देन ॲक्टिव्हिटी व्ही कॅन स्टार्ट व्हेन ॲक्टिव्हिटी पी अँड एस कुठे आहे बघा, पी फर्स्ट अँड एस फोर्थ आर कम्प्लिटेड. ओके, एंड ऑफ ॲक्टिव्हिटी व्ही मार्क्स द कम्प्लिशन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. बघा बरं, पी कुठे आहे? स्टार्ट मिडियम आहे, परत क्यू स्टार्ट एंड, परत आर एस टी यू. व्ही काय आहे तर ॲक्टिव्हिटी व्ही कॅन स्टार्ट व्हेन पी अँड एस आर कम्प्लिटेड. ओके, देन एंड ऑफ ॲक्टिव्हिटी व्ही, एंड ऑफ ॲक्टिव्हिटी बघा 10 to 25 स्टार्ट टू एंड मार्क्स द कम्प्लिशन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, देन फ्लो चार्ट, स्लोप आहे, बार चार्ट. ओके, देन टाइम वीक्स, horizontal axis is time weeks and represent horizontal axis represent the time weeks and vertical axis represent the activities. Okay, first this figure shows another bar chart for the project related to purchase and installation of the lathe, means the complete project consistent. First is call quotations for lathe, order lathe, डिलिव्हर लात, इन्स्टॉल लाते, कनेक्ट टू पॉवर अँड टेस्ट. फर्स्ट बघा 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 फॉर एक्झाम्पल आहे त्यातलं. ओके, 8, 9, 10. ओके, फर्स्ट इज 1 to 0 to 2, सेकंड 2 to 3, थर्ड 3 to 6, 4, 6 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10 ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहेत. ओके, त्यामध्ये काय दिलेलं आहे तुम्हाला तर फर्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी कॉल कोटेशन, लात मीन्स ऑर्डर लात, डिलिव्हर, इन्स्टॉल आणि हे. ओके, प्रोजेक्ट कन्सिस्ट मीन्स द कम्प्लीट प्रोजेक्ट कन्सिस्ट of 5 district activity. Okay, 5 district activity, each activity cannot be start unless the previous activity is finished. Okay, means the from the above two example we find that there are some operation or activities which can take place currently, while there are some activities that success the preceding activities and cannot be started unless the preceding activity is completed. Okay, means the current activities or job are represented by bar running parallel or overlapping each other time wise. Okay, the other types of activity as bar that run seriously on after that the other figure number 2.2. Okay, in either case each bar can be represented either by set of two lines running parallel to each other, that is by rectangular or by the thick solid line. The first form is perform, means the first activity is perform. Okay, then 3 type of development. First is development bar chart. First is breakdown, decide, assign and represent. The important stage in developing in bar chart. Okay, the breakdown is the project into the various activities or jobs or operation, each representing manageable until for planning and controlling. Okay, then method to be employed in excluding time of the project as well as the for each activity or operation or task, means decision also decide about the sequence in which activities are to be completed. Third important is the assign, means the duration of time for completion of each activity. Once the activities are separate and choice of the method is made, it is possible to estimate the time required for the completion of each activity. Okay, then fourth importance of the developing a bar chart, means the represent the above information in bar chart indicating the relative position of each activities. Okay, means the first activity A, B, C, D, E, F, G, S, that way. Second is description, and then time of completion. Time of completion, for example, 4 week, 6 week, 3 week, 2 week, 4 week, 1 week, that way. Likewise. Okay. Then purpose of Gantt chart. To illustrate the relationship between project activity and time. Okay, then to show the multiple project activities on one chart. Okay, then to provide a simple and easy to understand represent of project schedule. Okay, these are purpose of Gantt chart. Easy आहेत पर्पज कुठले कुठले ते बघा. Then next, advantages of Gantt chart. Useful tool for displaying the time based information within a project. Okay, second advantage is very simple to create. They provide useful overview of project activities, a good starting point for project planning. Then charts are widely used and understood. Then there exist several pieces of the packages that allow you to build Gantt charts. Okay, then limitations of Gantt charts. It does not explain the reasoning behind the choice duration of each activity. Okay, it is a very difficult to update and the changes to project plan take place. As Gantt charts are difficult to update manually, they can often become obsolete. The charts do not consider project consist of the Gantt chart. Gantt charts were employed on major infrastructure projects, including the dam and interested highway system, and continue to be important tool in project management and project program management. Okay, write down definition of Gantt chart. What is Gantt chart? Gantt chart is a type of bar chart. इम्पॉर्टन्स जे आहे तेवढंच तुम्हाला मी डेफिनेशन सांगत आहे. गॅन्ट चार्ट आणि माइलस्टोन चार्टचे पण एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. फक्त ॲक्टिव्हिटी अँड ड्युरेशन, त्याचे तुम्हाला कुठल्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीला कुठलं ड्युरेशन आत्ता एक्झाम्पल सांगितलं तसंच असणार आहे. फक्त ॲक्टिव्हिटीज लक्षात ठेवायचं कशाला काय कनेक्ट होतं आहे. ओके, गॅन्ट चार्ट इज अ टाईप ऑफ बार चार्ट. in which a series of horizontal lines shows the amount of work done or production completed in certain period of time. In relation to the amount planned for those period. तुम्हाला MCQ विचारतायत गॅन चार्ट in year means the 1910 he created the Gantt chart in the 1910 means the 1900 AD. Okay, then draw the bar chart. Simple आहे, time unit day and next draw the bar chart. Horizontal axis represent the time unit day time and vertical axis representing the activities of job. First time is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Only draw the bar chart. Then bar chart for project which has 7 distinct jobs or activity jobs or activities or नाही ऑफ नाही और आहे activities or jobs means P Q R S T U V to be performed for its completion. Okay, and time duration required for completion of these activities are 10, 5, 10, 7, 5, 8 and 15 unit. ओके, लक्षात येण्यासाठी PU हा रेक्टँगल बॉक्स आहे ते डार्क करा, डार्क लाईन करा. P Q R S T U V. P and Q can start simultaneously at 0 time. Both the activities are independent. ओके, जो ॲक्टिव्हिटीला कनेक्ट आहे ते डार्क करा म्हणजे तुम्हाला कळेल. टाईम इज टू बी 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25ला तुम्ही हे करा, डॉटेड लाईन द्या. इझी बार चार्ट आहे, समजल्यासारखं, आणि त्याचे एक्झाम्पल पण आपण बघतोय त्यामुळे लगेच लक्षात येते. ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, नोड, इव्हेंट. हा कालचा आहे तो सेकंड डायग्राम, ते फॉर एक्झाम्पल आहे तुमचा. एक्झाम्पल ऑफ बार चार्ट म्हणजे परचेस ऑफ इन्स्टॉलेशन ऑफ लादे, कॉल कोटेशन, ऑर्डर फॉर रेदे मशीन, डिलिव्हर द लाद मशीन, इन्स्टॉल एक कनेक्ट टू पॉवर अँड टेस्ट. मीन्स ॲक्टिव्हिटी कुठले कुठले कशी ॲक्टिव्हिटी म्हणजे काय 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 अँड वीक मीन्स टाईम ते पण 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 हॉरिझॉन्टल आहेत आणि व्हर्टिकल त्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. ओके, means development of bar chart means breakdown means the project into various activities. Decide means the method to be employed in project execution of the project as well as for each activity or operation or task. Okay, third is assign, मगाशी सांगितलं duration of each activity. Fourth is represent means represent about the information in bar chart indicating relative position of each activity. एक्झाम्पल आहे हे सेकंडवाला. हा मेन बार चार्ट तुमच्या लक्षात आलेला आहे. ओके, हे लक्षात येईल तुम्हाला जेव्हा तुम्ही एक्झाम्पल वगैरे सॉल्व करताय तेव्हा. ओके. देन पर्पज, ॲडव्हान्टेजेस, लिमिटेशन. ओके. मेन फर्स्ट लिमिटेशन आणि ॲडव्हान्टेजेस दोन दोन तर लिहून घ्या. ॲडव्हान्टेजेस, युजफुल टूल फॉर डिस्प्लेइंग द टाईम बेस्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन विथिन प्रोजेक्ट. Very simple to create. They provide useful overview of project activities, a good starting point for the project planning. Okay. Then next, limitation. Write down only 2 limitations. It is very difficult to update when changes to the project plan take place. It does not explain the reasoning behind the chosen duration of each activity. Okay. समजते का सगळ्यांना? सेकंड मेन पॉइंट, फर्स्ट पॉइंट गॅन्ट चार्ट, सेकंड माइलस्टोन चार्ट. What is milestone chart? Milestone chart is used to represent groups of activities or significant events or commitment in the project. Okay. Milestone chart shows a group of milestones in an organized way similar to Gantt chart, with one milestones per line vertically with description on the left. Okay. Then the milestone located horizontally along the time scale showing when it occurs. Okay. Milestone differ from the bars in Gantt chart in that they show only a single date and are usually depicted as triangle. As triangle instead of a bar chart. Means milestone chart is a modification over the original Gantt chart. Means the milestones are key event of an main activity, means represented by the bar. Means these are specific points in time which marks the completion of a certain portion of the main activity. Okay. Means these points are those which can be easily identified over the main bar. We have already seen that when a particular activity represented by bar on bar chart. Okay. First Gantt bar chart. ए दिसते तुम्हाला हा चार्ट. तुम्हाला फर्स्ट show the diagram bar chart. Next slide. Clear दिसते. First A and B. A Gantt bar chart, B Gantt milestone chart. First is A Gantt bar chart, means milestone differ from the bars in Gantt chart in that they show only a single date and are usually depicted as triangle instead of bar. Means horizontal axis represented by time, means week, and vertical axis is task A, B, C, D. Okay. Means the first is Gantt bar chart, second is Gantt milestone chart, means modification of bar chart into milestone chart. Means second is time week and task 1, 2, 3, task A, B, C, D. Okay. Means the main represent the bar chart, represent by bar on bar chart is very long. The detail lack if however the activity is broken or subdivided into number of sub activities. Okay. Means the each one of which can easily recognized during the progress of the project controlling can be easily done and entire relation means between the other similar activity can be easily established. Means the beginning and end of then subdivided activities or task are termed as milestones. कळलं? माइलस्टोन म्हणजे काय तर रिप्रेझेंट ग्रुप्स ऑफ ॲक्टिव्हिटी, सिग्निफिकंट इव्हेंट्स और कमिटमेंट इन द प्रोजेक्ट. समजते सगळ्यांना? गॅन्ट चार्ट आणि माइलस्टोन चार्ट काय येते? ओके. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण दाखवते आपण ह्याच्यात चार्टमध्ये हा दाखवला आहे मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ बार चार्ट इन टू द माइलस्टोन्स चार्ट. मीन्स द कन्सिडर बार चार्ट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल कन्सिडर बार चार्ट डायग्राम शोन इन फिगर. इथं दिसतंय 2.1. हा बुकमधनं घेतला आहे. पर्टन CPM हे एक्सपर्ट बुक आहे. त्यामध्ये आहे आपल्याला पर्टन CPMचा तुम्हाला लास्ट टाइम पण सांगितलं BC पुनमिया हे पूर्ण चांगला कन्सेप्ट दिलेला आहे. त्यामध्ये चार्ट पण व्यवस्थित दिलं आहे. ओके. मीन्स इट इज कन्सिस्ट म्हणजेच काय तर फर्स्ट गॅन बार चार्ट आणि सेकंड गॅन माइलस्टोन चार्ट. इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ 4 जॉब्स और टास्क और एक्टिविटी. टास्क A, टास्क B, टास्क C, टास्क D. ओके. सेकंड फिगर milestone Gantt milestone chart shows figure 2.12 means shown a milestone on each bar. Okay, means main task contains some specific points in time which can be recognized through which controlling can be achieved. First is each milestone can be considered to specific event, means the along the main activities or job or task. This chart is therefore called as milestone chart. Means the milestone each milestone is represent either by the circle or by the square. Okay, and it is serially marked. दिसते तुम्हाला डॉटेड लाईन. टास्क A, टास्क 1A 1 and 2, टास्क B 3 4 5, टास्क C 6 7, टास्क D 8 9 10. Okay, means the through controlling can be better achieve the help of milestone chart. It still possess the same deficiency content by the bar chart. Then it does not show the interdependence between the events within a task. The relationship between two specific milestones is relevant. Then second is the relationship between the among the milestone content in different tasks is not indicated on the either bar chart. For example, Gantt milestone chart 2.11 and then does not 2.11 does not indicate whether milestone 6 can be started before milestone 2 has been completed. दिसते तुम्हाला start point and task 1, task B, task C, task D. Okay, start point and end point. Start 0 to 3, task A 0 to 3. First बघा Gantt bar chart. Task B 1 to 5, task C 2 to 5, task D 3 to 8. Okay, then and what are milestone of task C? First is the task A. Gantt milestone chart does not indicate whether milestone 6 can be started before milestone 2 has been completed. Okay, then whatever milestone of task C are at all dependent on the milestone of task A. दिसते तुम्हाला डिपेंडंट नाही ते. ओके, देन समजते तुम्हाला माइलस्टोन म्हणजे काय, त्याचे बार चार्ट्स. देन डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ पर्ट नेटवर्क. पर्ट माइलस्टोन चार्ट विथ ॲरो दिसते तुम्हाला. ॲरोचा डायरेक्शन दिसते तुम्हाला. टास्क A 1 to 2, टास्क B 3 4 5, टास्क C 6 7, टास्क D 8 9 10. मीन्स गॅन्ट वरच्या स्लाईडमध्ये तुम्ही काय बघितलं, गॅन्ट माइलस्टोन चार्ट B फिगर नंबर 2.12 B. त्यामध्ये काय तर 1 2 डॉटेड लाईनमध्ये तुम्हाला दिसते, तर ते खालचे पण बघा तसेच सेम त्यामध्ये आपण माइलस्टोन चार्ट विथ ॲरोमध्ये दाखवलं आहे. इथे काय केलं, रेक्टँगल डॉटेडमध्ये होता, तर माइलस्टोन चार्ट विथ ॲरो मीन्स ओनली ॲरो डायरेक्शन दाखवलं आहे. टास्क A 1 2 वरचा जो आन्सर आहे तोच आहे, फक्त ॲरोमध्ये आपण डायरेक्शन दाखवलं आहे. त्यामध्ये आपण डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ पर्ट नेटवर्क कसं करायचं, तर The above deficiency of milestone chart, that is its inability to depict the relationship between the milestones of different tasks, has been removed effectively by developing the milestone chart into network diagram. Since the milestone charts has been milestones which can be considered as events along main task, since PERT network is always event oriented, means the resulting network diagram is called as PERT network. ओके, दिसतं तुम्हाला खालचा डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ PERT चार्ट. फर्स्ट बघा 1 to 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. हा आपण PERT नेटवर्क केलं, त्याला कनेक्ट काय केलं तर 1 to 2 मीन्स द फिगर 2.12 मीन्स डाऊनवाला PERT नेटवर्क दिसतंय सगळ्यांना. means the shows the figure chart in which the milestone of each bar, means the task, has been joined serially by arrows, since these are to be accomplished one after the other. Means serially the next transaction step is achieved by joining those milestones of different bar tasks which are interrelated by arrow, so that it may be clearly show the necessary flow of the work. Okay, means 1 to 2 3 4 5 6 7 means 2 2.5 2 2 1 to 2 ला 2 आहे, 3 to 4 ला 2 आहे, 4 to 5 1.5, 6 to 7 3, ओके, 8 to 9 2 and 9 to 10. कसं आलं तर means milestone chart and PERT network, this modification naturally replies the main questions and about what milestone should precede the what other milestones, and which milestone can be completed independently without being coordinated with others. Okay, in the figure number 2.12 milestones 4 is dependent on milestone 1 because it cannot be started unless 3 is completed. दिसते तुम्हाला, and 3 cannot start unless 1 is completed. Means similarly milestone 7 इथं दिसते तुम्हाला, सगळे ॲरो एकत्र आलेले. milestone 7 is dependent on milestone 4 and 5. ओके, डिपेंडंट आहेत ते 4 and 5 ला. thus the interrelation between the among all the milestones can be established in the network diagram regardless, okay, of our original task which they belong. Due to this reason the main task designing destination to does not any importance when they are omitted in the network diagram. Similar, the horizontal time scale is also omitted, and the time between the milestones, means the now called as the event, पण इव्हेंट म्हणतो, and indicate on the arrow between them. First is the network diagram, so developed in the following advantages. First is the network diagram clearly shows the interrelationship between the milestone event, means the design. Second, the destination of task become redundant, and the project is viewed on the integrated whole consistency of number of milestones event and not one on number of tasks. This helps very much in controlling the project. Then network can be used even for highly complicated project consisting of large number of activities. Then it is directly indicated the time required in the between two milestones or activities. This help is rescheduling if required. Then advantages of development of network diagram. The last, whatever there are uncertainties, network diagram allows the use of probability theory for time estimate. Okay, main project milestones is the milestone is framework of project management, means that it is a key determinant of project scheduling, and the milestones are the internal project result used by manager to check project progress. And then logical market before an end of phase instead the project of certain task activities. So corrective action should be taken in the case of problem, and delivery can be completed with the time. Then it helps of frequently monitor project progress, and it is not a deliverable customer Milestone significance important decide the affects the futures of the project. It is a key for defining the project evaluation review technique means PERT and critical path method means CPM. Then why it is required for the milestone charts is scheduling, celebrating success and project evaluation. Scheduling is the setting milestones can help keep project on schedule. After reaching a milestone, it is a chance to revisit our project plan and identify any project in our project schedule. Celebrating success means especially when work on a long term project, reaching a milestone can be a chance for you to congratulate yourself on a job well done. Quick project evaluation means revisiting our project plan from time to time is essential, and reaching milestone is a good time step back from the project and take a critical looks means the what is going well, what problems are you encountering, and you are task realistic, how about your time estimate. Then where are what is required for the re-evaluation project when reach milestones is good way to keep in our track and identify potential problems before they become serious. ओके, कळते तुम्हाला माइलस्टोन अँड गॅन चार्टमध्ये कन्फ्यूज होऊ नका. ओके, व्हॉट इज माइलस्टोन डेफिनेशन आणि त्याचे ॲडव्हान्टेज चार्ट लिहून घ्या, चार्ट काढा. दोनच आहे स्लाईड, पण अजून नेटवर्क डायग्राम पुढचे ॲक्सेस बघणार आहेत. ओके, आत्ता 40 मिनटानंतर अजून एक 2-3 मिनटांनी क्लोज होईल लिंक. अजून एकदा रिजॉईन व्हा सगळ्यांनी प्लीज. ओके, व्हॉट इज माइलस्टोन चार्ट? माइलस्टोन चार्ट इज used to represent groups of activity. Milestone chart is used to represent group of activities or significant events or commitment in the project. A milestone chart shows a group of milestone in organized way similar to Gantt chart. With one milestone per line vertically. वर्ड लक्षात ठेवा किती क्लिअर दिले त्यांनी. वन milestone per line vertically with a description on the left and the milestone located horizontally. With description on the left and the milestone located horizontally, along with time scale showing when it occurs. When it occurs mean milestone chart is modification over the original Gantt chart. Means milestone are key event of the main activity represented by the bar chart. Okay, then Gantt milestone chart. Draw the bar chart for Gantt bar chart and Gall milestone chart. First is सगळ्यांनी चार्ट काढून घ्या. इझी आहे गॅन चार्ट आणि बार चार्ट. एकदा ॲक्टिव्हिटीज इव्हेंट लक्षात आलं की बाकीचं काय नाही. डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ नेटवर्क डायग्राम. ओके, फर्स्ट टास्क ए, टास्क बी, टास्क सी, टास्क डी. means it consists of 4 jobs or task or activity. Okay, then time 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Each main task content some specific point in time which can be recognized and through which controlling can be achieved. Okay, then first task A 0 to 3 रेक्टँगल काढून घ्या. जो रेक्टँगल होते डार्कमध्ये तुम्हाला लक्षात येण्यासाठी ड्रॉ करा. रेक्टँगलमध्ये जो आहे डार्क लाईन टास्क ए, टास्क बी, टास्क सी, टास्क डी ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. ओके, म्हणजे लक्षात येईल तुम्हाला. टास्क बी 1 to 5, टास्क सी 2 to 5, टास्क डी 3 to 8. ओके, Then milestone chart and Gantt chart.